Good day, ma'am. We are from Shane Group. So this is our code for array. As you can see, um, this is our declaration for our string to display the numbers, the even index, the odd, ascending, in this ascending order. So for our program, we use J option to ask the user to input 10 integers. And after that, the navigation menu will pop up and ask the user what they will do on the integers that they input. So for our navigation menu, after the user input 10 integers, their integers will go through our conditional statement. First, if the user chooses to just display the number that they choose, the program will display the number. And if the user chooses the even indexes, the program will output the even indexes on the number that they input, so as well as the add index. Now, if the user chooses the ascending order, the program will show the ascending order of the number. And if the user picks the descending order, the program will display or arrange the number into descending order of the number. Bubble first.
Um, we use the bubble sort to reorder the sequence so that the elements are in ascending or descending order. Doon naman sa part to, line 102. In ascending and descending order code, this is our code we use for looping. And it will arrange the 10 inputs into ascending and descending order.
So now we will try to run the program. After running the program will ask the user to input 10 integers, like 69. And after that, the navigation menu will pop up with this this pop. And if the user choose to display the numbers, the program will just display the numbers and click the OK. After that, this the program will display the number. And you try again to run the program. And pop up. And if the user choose the even indexes and or add indexes, the program will choose or display the even and add indexes in the numbers that the users input, like this po, in the even indexes. And for the descending in the ascending order, and sending this ascending.
If the user chooses to display the ascending numbers, the program will display the wait nga lang, nawala.
Sige, tuloy mo lang.
And if the user chooses to display the values in ascending order, the program will arrange the values in ascending order. Ascending. Descending yun eh.
As well in this descending din. Yan.
As well as the descending order.
Yan. So, if we try naman po sa descending. Ay, wait lang. And if we try naman po sa the descending,
It will display the descending order.
parehas lang siya nung sa ascending ko. Like, Yan.
The program will display the descending order.
That's all po. Thank you.
So, hello, my name is Mark Vincent and Orisa. This is my contribution of our code. This code is all about the queues. So first, as you can see in our code, public static counter and the variables here. And then the public static void main means the modifiers return type and the method name. Then first, when you run our code, uh, first the enter a word. So an example is hello. So when you enter the word hello, there another question or choices like E for the NQ, D for the Q, and Q for the quick. So when you choose D, it means you will DQ character. So when you choose E, you will NQ another character. So when you choose Q, means you will quit or exit the code. So this is my contribution is all about the queue. So in the first string text equals word, so it will display the your enter that you enter previously though. Then this is the code when you dequeue a letter or a character substring index, then text substring 0 from because the index starts with 0. So that it will dequeue the first letter text dot length -1. So system out print dequeue item the 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 word without the first letter. It will display. Thank you, Mark.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Benjamin Tiagila of BSIT 101I, and this is my contribution to the case study of computer programming 2. So, me and Orisa were in the stacks and queues, specifically the queue section of NQ and DQ. My part here is the NQ part. So, when the user picks the letter E from the start, it will automatically bring the user here where a user can enter any letter that he wants A to Z, and after he chooses the letter, it will automatically add in the front of the program. So for example here, so there I type the word hello, and if I choose the letter E, it will enter any character I want, A to Z. Let's try letter A, and there it is. And the letter A is now added to the word hello. So that is all. That is all. Thank you very much for listening.
This is the stack of our group chain. So first we use public static linked list stack equal new linked list, then scanner get value new scanner, system.in, then public static string to get the word choice and word, public static object array, and public static char type. Public static void enter word. So we need to enter the word, then while if it's true, there are choices at the bottom later for you to choose. So public static void enter word system.out print short for SOP enter word. So if you run it later, you will see the word enter word. then word equals get value, that next line for loop in order to get the value of the words. Int I equals 0, I greater than word dot length, then I plus plus, then temp equals word dot chart. Okay, stock that add temp. Yeah, we didn't change it actually because we had a hard time changing it, then resulting to not being able to run our program, so we just stick to the stock that add and stock that remove method. I actually found a way, but I didn't know how to run it when putting it here, so we stick to the plan. Now to the choices and methods. SOP, P dash P to push, and O dash O, small o, to pop, and Q to quit. Select, then it will print out, select what you want to do later if you run. Choice equals get value that next line. Then if choice ignores case, then it will pop. Else if choice equals push, else if choice equals Q, then the system will exit. So off to the popped item. When you press P, it will automatically pop the word using your the stock with remove. And it will display stock. Then the push, enter a character to push, and word to get value. The next line, temp or the chart, then the stock that add, then the SOP, and the display, and it will display stock. The display stock, the for loop, the int z equals 0, and c is less than array that length c++. Array equals to stock that to array is empty, system that out that print array c, system that out print line. Then if the stock is empty, then it will automatically exit. Now let's run the program. So enter a word. Chain. I want to push R. So let's run the program. So word R, if you want to push a letter R to, and let's go into popping. O, O, DDR, DR, ER, R. Then that's it. There's no more letters to pop. And that's about it. Thank you.